Because this video na trend egale. As Nanda Anambra na Google security levy for gene they got how many na this video. Because no chukwana kanjo. Obozundi mu obodo na contribute ego for security. Because the government can provide the security. Because there are some things so I don't for like this or not them can say now are we intentionally doing this thing? Because we are just trying to to cook up stories somewhere. Because I don't understand. Kedu ihe butelo ndị mmadụ na contribute ego for security because na the primary purpose of every government is to protect the life and properties of the citizens and everybody not under their care. Then how comes not ndị mmadụ jizi aka ha make the necessary security how kwesịrị put on ground for them? Because na anobugo m this rumor before. This guy bekuku ya na video na again when I just bikon. Does it mean that na ndị ewepụta ka ha na secure life and properties or the individual kwesị na secure ha or ha kwesị secure individuals no ano? Notago. Enwe mgbe m nweta video saying that I am not happy with the way they recruit some people that anything has to do with security in Anambra State. Everybody that will kwesị handle egbe they must probe you. They must make sure need okay mentally. They must make sure need okay. I jigodo no go man e bugala before. Three say whether na enwego onye na bodo na bo na yelala because anom na ala na FF. Then a man enwego any atom of depression or nwego mgbe jelo no go nwego onye gina communicate so that no nwole onye iboli ihe n'obi. Because the way some of these security people na emende bi le na Anambra na emeka is no onye ha bu n'obi we bia wana we. Some of them are using that uniform as an escape route to oppress people and to make sure that any hobby na hacho high and here. So because no get in this video, and we're also calling on Soludo because no do never anya get the people involved and get them arrested. Obukwa na say they no mazie hunu me ka mala benya burumo si apota.
How can Anambra State government be asking communities to contribute 24 million naira annually, about 24 million naira annually, to fund the Anambra Vigilante Services, the Vigilante Group, to fund them? Yet we have security votes, an allocation that is given to every state governors in Nigeria. Instead, what we have is that Anambra security vote magically ended up in the account of the IG's son. You heard me right. The Anambra State security vote magically ended in the account of the IG's son, 100 million naira. And when questions were asked, they told us it was transferred to him in error. In error. That is what they told us. Yesterday I made a video and I complained. When Peter Obi came to power, he introduced Anambra State Vigilante Services, Vigilante Group. Every community had a vigilante. The state government, he gave them, each community had a minimum of 1 truck. A minimum of 1 truck to each community for the vigilantes. He bought them guns and he was paying them monthly. He was paying them. There was security in Anambra State. We achieved security in Anambra State. But after Peter Obi left, Obiano came. Obiano came, the drunkard. He took the money and enriched himself. After his tenure, the EFCC was all about him. He ran away and ran to the US. He has been avoiding EFCC since that time. Now, the professor came. And many of us said, wow, wonderful, professor of economics. He must be well informed on governance. What happened? The professor introduced a law that communities should contribute to 2 million every month. About 2 million every month to pay these vigilantes after he reconfigured them. After he reconfigured them, he said we should contribute to 2 million. That is about 24 million from each town annually to pay them, to fund them. He bought 1 Sienna per each local government Sienna. And we are asking the question, where is the security vote? Because there's a money called security vote. Nobody have answered this question. But it will shock you to know that on the 12th of September last year, being 2025, 100 million naira left Anambra security vote account and landed in the IG's son, this former IG that left, Victor Egbetokun, landed in his Zenith Bank account from Sterling Bank. And when we asked the question, they say it was an error. 100 million left Anambra security account, security vote account, and landed in the IG's son. They say it was an error. How can it be an error when this money left came in 25 million naira each. So in 4 badges. And this transfer was done inside the bank, not mobile transfer, inside the bank. You did the first one, error. The second one, error. The third one, error. The fourth one, error. Total of 100 million naira. You are telling us that it is an error. An error. Security vote. Okay, that's error. The person that filled it, where did he get the IG son's account? Does he do business with IG son's account to have the IG son's account in his possession? To know that the IG, it was not the same bank, Zenith Bank. So interbank transfer, how possible? How convenient? You did the first one, he moved. Second, and you know how difficult it is for government to do transactions, to transfer money. It's not a straight process where you just go to your account fee. No, there are processes required. Clearance. An Anambra security vote. 100 million naira left the account and landed in the IG son's account on the 12th. It was reported by Sahara reporters last year. Yet, we are asking, the state government has the guts to ask us to contribute money to fund the vigilante services. Why didn't that account mistakenly go into community account so that they can use it to pay the vigilantes? They can pay it back. There was no mistake to move the money into community accounts. But there was mistake. The money left Anambra, past Asaba, Benin, Ondo, up to Ogun State, to Lagos, to the IG son's account. The governor of Anambra State will have to explain this thing very well. It's not adding up. It's not adding up. What is even painful, it happened at a time where the state government is pushing the responsibility of funding security services to the communities. The governor is the chief security officer. And they gave him security vote as the chief security officer. Instead of funding security in Anambra, we are now hearing that by error, 100 million naira left Anambra security vote account and landed in the IG's account. And towards February, the police was coming to explain to us, what is the business of police? Is the IG's account, so now the police... You guys have to explain. You have to explain this thing. It's not adding up. I have tried to do the mathematics, the thing is not adding up. The more I try to make it make sense, the more it doesn't add up. The more it's not making sense. Look at a government that is demanding that every community should pay about 24 million naira annually. In this current dispensation, with the hardship we are facing, you are demanding such amount of money. Now, Anambra State's money is magically landing in the IG son's account. You are telling us it's an error. That error smells like corruption. You must explain to us again. Explain it again. Let us understand your business, the business of Anambra State government with the IG son's account. Why are they playing around with the IG son's account to the extent that they now make mistake, pay it into the IG son's account? Why? Governor Tukuma Soludo, it's not adding up. It's not adding up. Explain this thing very well. I don't want the situation of Obia not to happen after your tenure. EFCC again, you run to US. I don't want that to repeat. Explain this thing. I'm not understanding it. Carry security vote and fund vigilante. Stop disturbing communities. Use that money there and fund vigilantes. Stop disturbing us. Stop. We didn't collect security votes. You are the one that collected it. Fund them. Don't push it on us. You collected the money, the security vote. Account for it. No. Fund them. No. You are stressing us. We're already stressed in this country. And you are stressing us but demanding us to pay. We are finding it hard to feed. How much more paying for security? If you are tired, you let us know.